Hi, I'm Brian King. We're going through the DNA of King Law, one topic at a time, and today we're talking about processes. You know, no doubt the most important thing in a law firm is the people, but the people only are going to take you so far. In fact, sometimes having a great performer is a problem because you can rely too much on that one person, and that so much of that burden starts falling on that great person. Think of a sports team where you have one great player that's fantastic and maybe defies abilities of everybody else, and they let that person be a star. That's great, and maybe that star will take you all the way to the championship. But over time, what is important is having a team that develops a process that gets things done, and it repeat over and over, and allows for people who are not necessarily a star performer to be able to have great quality work. So we try to, at King Law, have a process for everything, from taking out the trash to handling Supreme Court briefs. You want to have a system that says easily for anybody in the firm to be able to say, this is where we start, this is what we do next, this is what we do next. Because in the end, it's much more like driving an airplane or flying that, where you're going through your checklist and making sure, did I do everything right? And if I did that, we're going to have a quality product, no matter what it is that we do. Great performers are fantastic, and you always want great performers to do well. But I don't think Michael Jordan could teach me how to play basketball like Michael Jordan. Be great, but most likely it can probably have a teacher who can say, look, shoot your free throws this way, play this level of defense, do that, and can even make somebody like me a little bit better, and something that can be an asset for the team. And in the end, that's the way you develop. Having those processes, it's so important that not only do you have the processes, but they're in the hands of everyone. We have a program here at King Law which allows for every one of our policies, our procedures, to be in the palm of their hands, on the phone, online at any time. So, and that's going to have everything from the process of how to take time off, all the way to how to file a summary judgment in a civil litigation. It's a step-by-step one, and it's something that anybody in the firm can modify. They can make new processes and make sure that those things are edited as things change, as programs change, as software changes, as people change, that each one of those is dedicated to where every person in the firm can make sure that the processes are able to take care of things. That's how I know that next year we're going to handle cases exactly the same way as we handle it now. I don't know the geography of where that's going to be done. I don't know the people that are going to get done, but I know what the process is, and I know what the final product is going to look like. That's how important that processes are. We want to have processes for our onboarding new people, marketing, lead generation, client intake, conversion of those potential clients into clients. Everything that we talk about in this one, there is a process and a procedure of what we do. And you can trace back those things that we do to the why of what we do and the purpose of what we do with the people that we've got and the people that we'll have in the future. That's what processes are about, and that's who we are at King Law.